today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite health boosting juice recipe. And if you're a mom dealing with hormonal ups and downs, because I know after birth we undergo a lot of things. I'm speaking from experience. I have 3 kids, and let me tell you, it has been ups and downs, especially when it comes to hormones, and especially during our periods, or maybe during our monthly periods, okay, menstrual cycles, or if you are experiencing maybe bloating and PMS symptoms. I want to share with you this hormone balancing juice that I normally prepare for myself that could help you. Okay, so to make this juice, we are using just 4 ingredients: celery, parsley, cucumber, and a green apple. Now, these simple ingredients they are packed with powerful punch when it comes to actually supporting your hormone health. First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have celery. Now, celery is known for its ability to flush out toxins and also reduces the water retention. It's also great for liver health, which is important because your liver helps process and balance hormones. Now, when we are doing this, we are also going to be adding in parsley. You just have to take a handful of it, and parsley is an amazing herb which actually has anti-inflammatory, or they normally say anti-inflammatory or inflammatory properties that can actually help you to relieve bloating and also ease menstrual discomfort. So if you're a person who normally experience discomfort like pain, cramps, you need to make this juice. It is also a natural detoxifier, which is great for overall health. Okay, so then we also want to make sure that we are adding in cucumber, like I said, which is actually a super hydrating and also naturally cooling ingredient. Cucumber helps with digestion and also reduces bloating, so you can feel light and also comfortable. Now, I'm adding in a green apple. By us adding in green apple, the green apple gives the juice a touch of sweetness and is packed with fiber and also antioxidants that are that actually support digestion and also gives you a natural energy boost. You can if you don't want, maybe if you, it is optional, you can, if you want to sweeten your juice or your recipe, you can actually add in some 1 tablespoon of honey, even though you don't need to add. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend the juice just the same way you are seeing me doing it. If you are using a juicer, you can just put everything in and press and start. Okay, if you are using a blender, add a bit of water to help it actually blend smoothly, then strain it if you prefer a smoother texture. I don't want to blend it, I don't want to actually sieve it or strain it, because I just love when it is thick like that with all those fiber. Now, there you have, you're gonna have our hormone balancing celery and parsley juice. This is perfect juice to enjoy anytime, but especially love it in the afternoon when I normally love it during the afternoon when I need a little bit of refresh. Now, not only does it taste amazing, but it also supports natural hormone balance. Like I told you guys, it reduces bloating and also helps ease the PMS symptoms. Let's give it a try, moms, and let me know how you think about it. It's super refreshing, and I kid you not, you're gonna love it. You can really taste the crispness of the cucumber and also the hint of sweetness of the green apple. It is light and it is clean, and it's so good for your health, and I highly recommend you to try. I hope you have actually enjoyed this small video, and I'll see you next in my next video. If you have liked the video, remember to actually subscribe, and don't forget to actually click that icon for notifications, so that you can have more recipes that we can share as moms, because I know it's not easy giving birth and after giving birth. Even before giving birth, I know these things women we experience, and it is good to share some of the things that we know, especially those who have undergone such things. Okay, see you next in my next videos. Bye.